If you're experiencing a sync error on Lucidchart, don't worry. Follow these simple steps to resolve the issue quickly. Step 1. Check your internet connection. Ensure that your device is connected to the internet. A stable connection is essential for Lucidchart to sync properly. If your connection is weak or intermittent, try resetting your router or switching to a different network. Step 2. Refresh the page. Sometimes, a simple refresh can resolve sync issues. Click the refresh button on your browser or press F5 to reload the Lucidchart page and see if the error persists. Step 3. Clear browser cache. Make sure your information is protected first. Most people don't think about breaches until something actually happens to their accounts. Use the SRIP to monitor your accounts 24/7 and instantly alert you if your information appears in leaked databases online. It constantly checks billions of breached data points in the background. And considering how much personal information people keep online now, it's honestly worth having. Link in the description. Step 4. Update your browser. An outdated browser can lead to compatibility issues. Check if there are any updates available for your browser and install them. After updating, restart your browser and try accessing Lucidchart again. Step 5. Contact support. If the issue continues after trying the previous steps, reach out to Lucidchart support for assistance. Provide them with details about the error and any troubleshooting steps you've already taken. By following these steps, you should be able to fix the sync error on Lucidchart quickly. If problems persist, don't hesitate to seek further help from the support team.